Hello guys, and welcome to the fully funded scholarship channel. This is Theodore, your friends. So if you're looking for the best fully funded scholarship guys, and if you don't know how to apply of this, so don't worry guys, because that is my first mission here guys in this channel, fully funded scholarship. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna show you step by step guys that you can apply. So don't forget guys, if you're new here in this channel, this is free. I will invite you to click the subscribe button below guys in this video, that you can follow all of my videos guys, which will help you to get a fully funded scholarship. So today guys, we're gonna talk about the scholarship, University of Alberta Scholarships 2022 in Canada, fully funded scholarship. So first of all guys, I'm gonna read quickly the details about the scholarship, and then I will show you the link that you can apply, and finally I will show you how you can apply with this scholarship. So don't worry guys, you just need to follow all of this video until the end. So I'm gonna read just the important thing here guys quickly. University of Alberta Scholarships 2022 for international students. So applications are invited to apply for University of Alberta Scholarships 2022 in Canada. So all international students and the citizens of Canada are eligible to apply for this scholarship guys. So where you come from, you can apply. So most of talent students, those who want to undertake their undergraduate degree, master degree, or doctorate degree, can encourage to apply of this scholarship. So scroll down below. All academic fields and majors are available at the University of to study in this bachelor's program and postgraduate program guys. So this is the details. University of Alberta Scholarships 2022 details. So university is University of Alberta. The degree level is for undergraduate, masters, and PhD degree. And the scholarship cover is fully funded. Eligible nationality is international and national. The origin country is Canada, of course, and the last date that you can apply of this scholarship guys in first month of May 2022. So scroll down below, financial benefits. So University of Alberta Scholarships 2022 in Canada for international students has multiple funding sources like Canadian government, Alberta government, and also from other resources. Complete scholarships details is given below. So this is the resource of financement of these scholarships guys. So he said that these scholarships are available for bachelor's, like I said, and graduate degree programs. So you don't need to no need to apply separately for those scholarship. So university automatically considered for this scholarship after getting admission. So international student scholarships, so these scholarships have a value up to 9,000, which is payable for 4 years guys, and you get 5% student academic in achievement are eligible to those these scholarships having a value. And this is for doctorate, and for master's degree is will receive a stipend $17,500, while international candidates is 10,000 for covered to fee. So these are the list of available study guys. There are many fields here like nursing, law, engineering, education, and eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria: applicants with any nationality are eligible to apply for bachelor's degree. You must have a high school certificate. For master's degree, you must hold the undergraduate degree, and for the PhD, you must have the master's degree or certificate. So the deadline is the first month of May for July admissions. So how can you apply of this scholarship? So how to apply for University of Alberta scholarship? Applicants can apply online guys for Alberta University Scholarship 2022 in Canada. So yeah, that's all about for this. I'm gonna show you right now how you can apply, guys. I'm gonna show you the link that you can apply with the scholarship, and then I will show you how you can apply, guys. So this is the official page, guys, that you can apply with the scholarship. And what you need to do, guys, you just go directly to the Google, and you just type this link, guys. You see, this is the link, official page, the link of the official page. Or you can go directly below of this video, guys, because I put this link below of this video, and you just click this link, and you come here in this page. And what you need to do here, guys, you just scroll down below, guys. In this page, you just scroll down below, and you just click here, guys. You see, you just click this apply now, and then, guys, you come here in this page. You come here, University of Alberta. And what you need to do, first of all, guys, if you're new here in this page, guys, Alberta's Graded Studies Management Institution, you just need to create an account here. You just click this create an account, and then, guys, you come here in this page, and what you need to do, you just fill these blanks, guys. You just put your first name here. For example, this is my first name, and your last name, the date of birth. This is your date of birth, for example, in 2000, for example 2020, for example 2000 in March. And you put your email address here, guys. So this is my email address. And then you just confirm your email address below. So you have to write it. And then, guys, you put your password here, but you said that your password is at least 10 characters, and buff, uppercase, lower characters, and at least one number. So I put my password here, guys. And I just confirm my password. And then, guys, I click this create user, and then he said that you have successfully logged in, and I will be automatically directed to the portal. If you are not sure, I've created my account, and directly I come here in this page, guys, and you can save your username, your email, and your password. So I click save here, and then you just choose your department here, guys. So which department you want to study. For example, there are many departments here: civil engineering, environmental, and you just choose the full-time here or part-time. I choose full-time, and then you click search now. So there are many programs here, so you see, then you just click one of these that you want, guys. For example, Master Science in Civil Engineering, and I want this. and then you come here in this page, guys, and what you need to do, you just choose one of these. For example, this one is in September 2022. You can apply, I can apply of this or this one, so I choose this one. And this is the important thing, I just click OK. And then, guys, I come here in this page, and you see this is my name here, and this is my program, my department here, Master of Sciences, Civil Engineering, Environmental Civil Engineering. So the application closing date is in 1st May 2000, first month of April. And what you need to do, guys, you just fill this. First of all, your personal information, and then your language, and the academic history, your academic background, guys, and the references and the funding supervisors and documents. You just upload the documents here. So this is the first personal information. You see, this is the personal information, and you just fill those blanks, guys, and after that you just click save, and you click next here, and you go directly to the language steps, and the academic history, and finally the declaration. So I think, guys, you understand how you can apply for this scholarship. I think this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to click subscribe button below, guys. This is free. Don't forget to click and share this video with your friends. So thank you very much for watching this video.